If you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a notification, please do leave us a comment. I'll make sure to get back to as many as you as possible. Okay, so we're going to watch this. We're going to do it like this. This stick is pointing here. What we're going to do is we're going to point it over to the shoulder. The moment you point it over to the shoulder, I want you to angle your body. So say you're standing like this, I want you to move this leg so it's like this on the floor. Okay, from here you're going to angle your body down and you're going to point this part of the stick here. The reason why we angle it down is because it will fold that little bit better. Yeah, so you catch it here. Okay, so from there, once you've caught it, straighten it out, put your hand out, and we're ready for this move now. Okay, so watch. What I'm doing is my hand is here, so if you notice my thumb's facing down and my palm's facing you, I'm going to point this part of the nunchuck to here, and it's going to bend. The opposite stick is going to bend and hit this part of your hand here. So, see it hit there? The opposite stick to what I'm holding is hitting my hand. Right, so from there, once it hits your hand, you're ready to go from like that to like this, okay? So if you haven't got nunchucks in your hand, try it without nunchucks. So if you notice I'm going here and here, here, here. So after this now, you're ready to wind back out of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your hand the opposite way. Okay? This can be done over and over again. But we're not going to be doing it over and over again. But you need to learn how to do this part then. Yeah, which is making it go around your hand. You're basically using isolation moves in this. From here, you're then going to grab the stick like this. What you're then going to do is I've done an in-depth tutorial on how to do this on Tuesday. So I'll leave a link above so you can check it out, okay? So we're going to rotate here, here, and go back into it, and then we can clutch it. Okay, so a lot happens. It's very, very simple, but yeah, I hope it helps you. It's a neat little combo, like, it's really neat. I like it. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. See you soon.